So we've got a massive concrete gantry printer here, and we have a wonderful house that we're going to print. So this is our house, and we can slice this apart, as we always have done, nice slice operator, and get a nice clean result of the house here. But we can do a few other things. We can make it continuous as before, but we also have a special infill option for architecture called walled ribs. And that's because in architecture printing houses, we have a lot of requirements for printing kind of a continuous reinforcement, conformal reinforcement within your walls.
Mm-hmm.
And we can see that pattern here. So we have this kind of nice wavy pattern. And then, like I said, it's conformal to the geometry. So you see it follows the curves of the house. And also, it doesn't matter if it's on thinner sections, it will do it in there as well. You can see it, a nice solid view.
Yeah.
Like so. And because we can change the position of our seams and we can automate them based on proximity and all these kinds of things, we can minimize jumping time. If you're printing houses like this, you've got different rooms and wall sections, for example, here, until they connect later on. This is an independent section. So you need to make sure that they are, your seams and jump areas are in optimized locations.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice.
Very cool.